I'm going to show you real quick how to make some real quick, easy blueberry banana pancakes. You can get any pancake mix. You can make a homemade one. I get this Nana Cakes. It's all organic, and I mix it up per instructions. And then I add some fresh blueberries. I got these on sale. And what I do is I always stock up on sale. I wash them and then I freeze them. But these are fresh. Just pour in as much as you like. But blueberries are so good for you. They're one of the superfoods. So you want lots of antioxidants for you and your kids. Get some blueberries, mix it in, and then start cooking your pancakes. Another thing that's going to really make your pancakes moist is I'll put a little like 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup of applesauce in there. There's some more fruit in the breakfast, and it makes it really moist. There you have fruits in your child's breakfast. Now when you're done with your pancakes, they're all cooked, you're going to take slices of banana and slice it on top. Sneaking in those fruits and vegetables, really important, but blueberries are really good for you.